In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Superscript in Microsoft Excel. Superscript is a formatting feature that allows you to raise text, numbers, or symbols above the normal line of text, which is especially useful for things like chemical formulas, mathematical exponents, or footnotes. Learning to use Superscript effectively can make your spreadsheets look more professional and easier to read. To get started, open your Excel workbook and type the full content you want into a cell. For example, if you want to write a formula like H2O or an exponent like x2, type the entire text or number sequence in the cell first. Once the content is typed, double-click the cell to enter editing mode so that you can select the specific part of the text you want to format as Superscript. Next, navigate to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. Look for the Font section and click on the small diagonal arrow in the bottom right corner. This opens the Font dialog box. In this pop-up window, you will see the option labeled Superscript. Simply check this box and click OK to apply the formatting. You will notice immediately that the selected text now appears raised above the regular text line, giving it the proper Superscript appearance. There's another way to achieve the same result, which is equally convenient. After typing the content into the cell, select the portion you want to turn into Superscript, then right-click and choose Format Cells from the context menu. This opens the same font dialog box where you can tick the Superscript option. Click OK, and the selected text is formatted just like before. Both of these methods are straightforward and allow you to insert Superscript wherever you need it, whether you are creating chemical formulas, exponents, or any other type of specialized notation. It's helpful to know both approaches because you might find one easier to use depending on your workflow or the version of Excel you are using. By mastering Superscript in Excel, you can make your data presentations clearer, more professional, and visually appealing. Practice using these techniques in different scenarios to become comfortable with selecting text and applying the formatting quickly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.